Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My capture. Imagine a keyboard that powers itself using the light around you. That's right, the Lenovo Self-Charging Keyboard harnesses ambient light and even solar power, thanks to its innovative photovoltaic technology. It stores this energy in fast-charging supercapacitors, effectively eliminating the need for traditional batteries or constant plugging in. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a game changer for convenience and sustainability. Lenovo boasts that this keyboard can last an impressive 45 days in a completely dark environment once fully charged. And if you ever do run it completely dry, just 2 minutes under a 300 lux light source, think a well-lit room, is enough to get you back up and typing. But the self-charging isn't its only trick. This keyboard is built for the modern multitasker. It features multi-device connectivity, allowing you to pair with up to 3 different devices simultaneously. Whether it's your Windows PC, Mac, iPad, or Android device, switching between them is as easy as pressing a dedicated key. Talk about a streamlined workflow. Beyond its innovative power solution, the Lenovo Self-Charging Keyboard offers a premium typing experience. It features low-profile, scissor-switch keys for comfortable and quiet typing, making it perfect for any environment, from a busy office to a quiet cafe. Plus, it's spill-resistant, giving you extra peace of mind. You'll also find adjustable tilt legs for ergonomic comfort and convenient media controls on the function keys. And for those of us who care about our planet, Lenovo has designed this keyboard with sustainability in mind. Its exterior is built from an impressive 95% post-consumer recycled plastics, making it a more eco-conscious choice for your tech setup. So, who is this keyboard for? Anyone who craves ultimate convenience, a clutter-free workspace, and a more environmentally friendly tech solution. It's ideal for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to ditch the charging cables and embrace truly wireless freedom. The Lenovo Self-Charging Bluetooth Keyboard is a remarkable step forward in wireless peripheral technology. It's a testament to innovation that prioritizes user experience and environmental responsibility. What do you think about a self-charging keyboard? Would you make the switch? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the latest and greatest in tech. Thanks for watching.